My name is Matthew Jacques.
And I'm Joshua Mecham, and this is our final project. It is the Cornhole, tabletop Cornhole game. The TCG has two game modes. The first game mode, you try to score as many points as possible. There are 2-point selection options. There's 50 for the top two holes, and then 25 for the middle because the middle hole's a little easier. The second game mode, if I select it, is a target practice game. The LCD here will display a target. It'll say target 1 here, and then I need to throw the beanbag or the tape ball into the selected target, and it'll tell me another target to shoot. So as I go, I hit each target, and then finally it'll buzz, giving me my final time. Here's the simple block diagram. The inputs are the game select and the bag throws. Then they go into the user interface in the microcontroller, which outputs it to the LCD driver and rings the buzzer, leaving the outputs of score, time, target, and buzzer.
This is a schematic of our project. This here is the LCD display. It has 16 pins in total, 11 of them interface with our microcontroller. There are 8 data pins, and a data enable, a read/write flag, and a signal select flag. Connected to our microcontroller as well is 3 brake beam sensors. Each of them are connected to our microcontroller with a pull-up resistor with a 10K value. Also connected to our microcontroller is a buzzer for when the game finishes. Since we do not have access to a continuous set of pins on our microcontroller, to use the data bus line we had to partition and bit shift these pins here. Using that, we were able to write a command function to interface with our LCD, and we also used an online LCD library to gain access to functions such as write character, write string, and write integer.
One of the tests we ran to make sure our game met the criteria is making sure the sensors only count 1 score per ball. I'll show this. So on game 1, the timer's running, and I block the sensor and I pull my hand out, and it only counts 50 points. This is because the sensors are on interrupts. Another test we ran is making sure the game 2 targets only read on the specified target. Here it says target 1. If I put my hand in target 3, nothing happens. Target 2, nothing happens. But once I hit target 1, it switches to the next target.
This is a demonstration of game 1.
Oh, it's wild.
Yep. Yeah, so while it's not, so we're going to keep trying to get inputs until what's this? Just a battery. 4-volt battery. This guy requires 4 volts.
Here's the game 2 demonstration for the tabletop cornball game.
Did you guys get it? Yeah, it's functional and think it's all repairable because it's really slow. So if we call it any other kind of ride, you wouldn't buy it.
Explaining it well,
So,
that and then showing that.
but yeah, music.
Okay.
Yeah.
The other thing is,
I know. Were you guys able to
we
get
have to have
yours?
this over by the window.
How much stuff are you still work?
One, I can't